My name's Devin. I'm one of the organizers of the ETHCapeTown event that's happening today, over the weekend actually in Cape Town, South Africa. It feels so special and it feels so encouraging as well to see the enthusiasm and see the excitement in the room.
We're super excited to kind of see an amazing crowd come here. Over 200 people are in this building, kind of collaborating and talking to each other, working on ideas and discussing potential projects they can work on for this weekend.
And developing really amazing products and really working together to find solutions to problems that maybe didn't have solutions before.
UNICEF Innovation is involved with ETHCapeTown. We want to encourage all of the participants today who might continue working on their project to apply to our innovation fund.
I'm super excited to kind of see the excitement in the crowd and can't wait to see all the hacks that are going to come out on Sunday.